Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits using self-rising flour. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of self-rising flour, 1/2 cup of very cold butter, cut into small pieces, and about 3/4 of a cup of cold milk or buttermilk. Having everything prepped and chilled is key to achieving light, fluffy biscuits. This simple method ensures perfect results every time. Now let's combine the dry ingredients and butter. In a large bowl, add your 2 cups of self-rising flour. Then, using your fingertips or a pastry blender, quickly cut in the cold butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs with some pea-sized pieces of butter remaining. Avoid overworking the dough at this stage. Gentle handling is crucial for tender biscuits. Next, it's time to add the liquid and shape our biscuits. Gradually pour in the 3/4 cup of cold milk, mixing just until a soft, shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and gently knead it a few times, then pat or roll it to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a 2-inch round cutter to cut out your biscuits. Finally, let's bake these delicious biscuits. Place your cut biscuits on a baking sheet, arranging them so they are nearly touching. This helps them rise higher and stay soft. Bake them in a preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and well risen. Serve them warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.